What's up guys, I'm Anamik and welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I post about videos regarding how to make money online. Okay, so today I'm going to show you another way you can make money online, and I found a really nice website for you. But before that happens, and I usually create videos for you, as you can see on the screen behind me, that I make so many videos like this for you so that you can make and generate passive income online, and also make money from various other ways, like just from the comfort of your home. Okay, so for that, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post videos daily nowadays for all of you, and I'll also post more videos based on how to make money online. So for the first things first, today I'm going to show you how you can make $14 over and over and over and over again. Okay, the first step is to go to a website called shrinkearn.com. So what this website does is, suppose you have a website link, okay, and you just copy the link and paste it here, and then you can generate a short URL, which later you'll be able to share with other people, or you can put it on your website so that the people would click on it and you will get paid. This is how simply, like, you will get paid for people clicking on these links. So the first things first, as per my research, they actually pay $20 per 1,000 clicks. If you go to the publisher rates section, you will see that the minimum payout is $5. So I'll go to that latter. So for Greenland, you will make $20 for desktop, $20 for mobile. Doesn't matter whether the person visiting your, like, clicking on your link is coming from a mobile or desktop. If the rates are almost same. San Marino $13. So basically you will get up to $20 per 1,000 views, and I've never seen such a high amount paid by URL shortener website. I think they're highest paying website I've ever seen. So I found one and I thought I would share it with you so that you can be benefited from it. Now how it works like, as I said, you have to just as I shown you here, you have to click your website URL, copy your website URL, paste it in this section, then click generate. Okay, then a short link will be generated for you, which you can later share with your customers or visitors, and when they click on it, and you will get paid up to $20 per 1,000 views. It's a lot. So now let us come to this section, publisher rates section, and as you can see, you will get paid when you reach $5. I don't think it will take much time for you to reach that amount. And payment frequency, they will pay daily. They pay daily via PayPal, WebMoney, Payer, Skrill, Paysera. They have bank transfer. Wow, you will get, the easiest way to get paid is PayPal after all. So they support PayPal payment method, so it will be easier for you to get paid via PayPal, and it's awesome. So $5 is a very low payout rate, and they pays daily, so I think you should check it out, and that will be really awesome. And this is how much you can make. Okay, and some of the earnings might not count. Visitors must, so it must be a unique visitor within a 24 hours to count as a click. Okay, and these are the rules, remember. And they must view your website for at least 10 seconds. Visitors must have JavaScript enabled. Visitors must have cookies enabled, and that is what the requirements for the earnings. Okay, so keep these rules in mind. So that's what I wanted to say, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, because I post daily videos regarding how to make money online. So thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.